So hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another staking video. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can actually stake your D Horizon native token DEVT on Bybit and get up to 120% APY on staking DEVT token. Okay, so this is insane APY you can get on any coin, any token. So in this video I am gonna show you how to stake D Horizon token and how to earn D Horizon token free daily. So first of all you have to create account on one exchange. So let's start. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel so that you can get informative videos daily. So today I am going to show you. So first of all you have to create account on Bybit. Bybit is a number one crypto exchanges in the world, is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. So in order to create account I have given the link in the description. So when you create account from my link you will get extra bonus. Okay, so when you create account on Bybit you just have to click on BuyFi Center. Okay, so first of all you have to transfer your D Horizon token on Bybit. If you don't have tokens you can actually buy D Horizon token. Okay, so here you can actually search DEVT and you can actually buy D Horizon token here. So if you have D Horizon token on any exchange you can simply uh, deposit D Horizon tokens on Bybit and stake there. Okay, so in order to staking you just have to open this Bybit app, and in the home page you are seeing this option BuyFi Center. Okay, so you have to click on this option. Okay, the BuyFi Center, and here you can see the DVT token staking option. So you can actually see this option here in trading section, but if you don't able to find it you have to click on flexible staking option. Okay, here you have to click on flexible staking of option, and here you can see all the tokens that are offering that Bybit is offering staking on all available coins. Okay, so here you can see the D Horizon native token on number one, and this staking will end in 23 days from now. Okay, so you can see that you can get up to 120% APY. And in order to stake your tokens you just have to click here and stake now, and you can actually stake your tokens here. Enter the amount of tokens you want to stake, but be sure that you can actually read these terms. Max staking amount 3000 EBT tokens. Okay, so you can stake max 3000 EBT tokens and earn 9.86 DEBT tokens per day, and that's actually uh, 18 almost $18 daily you can actually earn by staking DEBT tokens on Bybit, and that's huge APY you can get on the Horizon token. So this staking will end in 23 days. Okay, so this is a limited time staking. You can stake this D Horizon tokens on Bybit, and after 23 days this staking option will end. Okay, so after this you can actually stake D Horizon token on any other exchanges or on Bybit if it is available. So in order to so you can actually benefit from this staking for 23 days. Okay, so that's a very good option for you to stake your DVT tokens on Bybit, and this is a huge APY you can get actually here. Okay, so I have given the link of the Bybit exchange below. If you don't have account you can create your one and get extra benefit from my link. Okay, so that's all in this video. Let's meet in another video in our next video.